So every time that she would get up, any type of movement out of bed or trying to go to the restroom, on her left leg, anytime she would put pressure, the pain that she has in her back would grow intensely.
Kind of sharp pain down through her legs,
yes,
right?
It would go down this way and then towards her back and then the front abdomen area. I said, let's give it a shot. And the very first day that we came in, I saw you did the first movement, and after that she started walking a lot better.
Oh, but compared to yesterday, it's so much better, right?
Yes.
How many weeks right now?
29 weeks.
29 weeks, okay. Nice.
Oh my God.
Good.
How you doing?
Yo estoy nueva ya.
She said she's brand new.
She's brand new.